The busy streets of Jaipur have a piece of history right on it, one which doesn't have to do with a historical monument. Set aside selfies. Get your picture taken from this 160-year-old camera in Hawa Mahal Bazaar. Tikam Chand Pahari has been using it since 1977. A family heirloom, it was gifted by the Maharaja of Jaipur. And 1860 Carl Zeiss. This heritage pinhole camera is one of the last of its kind in the world. The entire setup has a darkroom, fixer, developer and film box inside. Get a photo in 5 minutes and do ask for special effects. Used to take photos of royalty in the Raj era, the camera has been a prop in films like Shuddh Desi Romance and Bhool Bhulaiya. Indulge in some 19th century nostalgia and watch as your photo gets developed right in front of your eyes.